Hi, Danielle here from Black Rock Castle Observatory, and it's my favorite time of year. It's Space Week, which means we'll be running space events all across the country, and you can get involved. Head on over to spaceweek.ie, and there you'll find events that are running in a place near you, but you also have the opportunity to run your own event, which means if you wanted to maybe read out your favorite space poem, register it as an event. Maybe you want to host a podcast and talk about space-related things, register it as an event. Maybe you want to sing a song about space, register it as an event. And when you do, you not only sign up to get some cool space merchandise, but you're also automatically entered into a competition to win a telescope just like this. So head on over to spaceweek.ie today for more information and register your event now.